Ice on the porch, sleet in the rain. Woke up to a drip, then a bang in the wall. Now the kitchen's a river, and the tub won't fall. If your heater line snapped, or your sink won't budge, we'll get you back to normal. No mess, no grudge. From Forsyth down to Davidson, Davy to Guilford too. When the freeze leaves trouble, we're coming through for you. Winston-Salem, Clements, High Point and Greensboro, Lexington, we're rolling wherever the cold wind blows. When pipes are frozen, your whole house stuck, call the truck with a duck. If the toilet's talking back and the drain won't breathe, if your septic's pushing up where it shouldn't be, we've seen the backups, yeah, we know that game. Storms leave a mark, but we don't leave blame. We'll call that line, fix that break, make it right, get your water running clean by the end of the night. From Forsyth down to Davidson, Davy to Guilford too. Frozen pipes are backups, yeah, we're coming through. Winston-Salem, Clements, High Point and Greensboro, Lexington, don't worry, we're on the go. When winter hits hard and you're out of luck, call the truck with a duck.